Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning November 15th to the 21st using this May 2021 mystery kit from SBC, and I'm using the foil that came with it. I'm back to colour blocking again this week, which I was very excited about. I struggled with some of the colours, but I think I did a really good job, to be honest. I think it was just the green that was harder for me, but I just did any kind of green and it worked out good for me. This week I was 25 weeks pregnant and I don't even know the name of this fruit or veg. It says Swede, S-W-E-D-E. That's what the size my baby was. Who knows what that is? I don't. I decided not to stress myself and try to colour block the sidebar this week, so I didn't. But anyways, and I didn't put in a plan hand in November because I had dropped my white out behind my desk and it was just too much of a stress to go and find it, so I just decided to leave it like this. Anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the day by day. So starting with Monday, I marked payday with a money icon from the kit and foil bundle. So if you see an icon that looks like that, I basically just put the foil from the foil bundle on top of the icon from the kit because they're the same size. And then I used the payday script from the foil bundle. I then marked work with this also paper gal and a work script from the foil bundle. I marked going on a school trip with a excited looking girl from the honeybee shop. Onto the day extender, I used a house sticker from the foil bundle to not go into my mum's house. Sorry, I'm so hot. Let me just take a sip. I then used this ScribblePrintsCo gal sitting in a teacup to drinking the tea. I used the afternoon tea script from my little plants. Then use this Mixie Cat stuff seminar or like online learning character to note a seminar. I'll use the Joy of Planning gal with like stickers to note sticker shopping. The sticker shopping script is from Adore Amy Designs. I then marked on buying gifts with a gift sticker from the foil bundle, and then I marked ordering my new phone with a phone icon from the foil bundle also. On to the Tuesday, I used this large teacher sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note work. I love how I did that, and I used the washi strip underneath it. Then marked being tired with the face mask sticker from the foil bundle, and then marked covering with this e-learning munchkin for What's My Love. Only used it because it had green in it. I then used a planner icon from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from the PlanWithAds to note a Plan With Me binge. I then marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Carly Plans and a YouTube script from SBC. I marked getting some booms with a burger and drink sticker from SBC. And then I marked going to bed early with a foil bundle and bed from SBC and a bed early script from Carly Plans. On till Wednesday, so the extender is just a toolbox that I use as an extender so I could have it, and I didn't want it in the sidebar. Anyways, the first thing I marked using one of the foil boxes, I only used it on the orange day because I was colour blocking and I tried to use it at least twice, which I did on both of the orange days. But anyways, carrying on, I used a stethoscope and baby foot sticker from BMD Stickers, so like a baby appointment to note my midwife appointment. I used the appointment script from the foil bundle. I then marked going to my mum's house with a house icon from the kit and foil bundle. Then marked eating breakfast at my mum's with a bread sticker from the, or a toast sticker from the from SBC. I then marked do some more covering with a stack of books from the foil bundle. I did the covering before going to work, after going to work, but it fit better this way. I then marked going to work with another also paper girl and a work script from the foil bundle. And then marked my observation with a star icon from the foil bundle. And then I marked taking a nap with a pillow icon and, well, icon from the foil bundle and kit, a nap script from the foil bundle. And then I marked getting bins with a knife and fork icon from the foil bundle. Ooh, so much from the foil bundle. On to Thursday, I used another also paper girl to mark work. I marked covering with a crying girl from Stick With The PlanWithAds. And then marked wanted to go home and being tired with a like bored looking pregnant girl from Joy of Planning. because that's how I felt most of the time. I then use this cooking sticker from What to Move Love to note cooking with my husband, and I use a custom script saying that says cooking with Jay to note that which is from Bella Plan Ella. So you can use my code ADIA215 to get 15% off your order. I then use a planner icon from the kit to note Plan With Me binge. That script is from the Planner Pixie Co. I then marked cramps with a joy of planning, pregnant lady. And then I use the bed sticker from the kit to note going to bed early. The bed early is a custom, once again, from Collie Plans. I just can't deal with this heat. Oh my goodness. On to Friday. I used this cake sticker from PMD Stickers to note thank God it was Friday. Then I marked work with another Auto Paper Gal and a work script. I then used this like chilled looking sticker from Miss Moss to note having a chill relaxed day. I used a car sticker from PMD Stickers to note traffic on my way home, I'm guessing. I then marked getting a slushy with this slash sticker from Beneva's Creation. I marked cuddling with a heart icon from the foil bundle and a cuddle script from the foil bundle also. I marked TV time with a foil script from the foil bundle and a couple watching TV sticker from Make Plans. I then used this take out or take away bag from the kit and foil bundle to note getting double stacks, which is where we got the slushy from, but I wanted to mark the slushy separate because it was my craving. Okay, on to Saturday. I used a sleep mask from the foil bundle and a sleeping script from SBC to note that. Then marked a lazy day with this gal from Ali and Tuma. And then marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Pixie Co. I marked my Harry Potter binge with scripts from Bella Plan Ella and scribblers from SBC. They were old ones that I think I got in rack bags a while ago. So I watched Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire and Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. On Sunday I marked sleeping in with my husband with this couple sticker from PMD Stickers and a sleeping script from Adobe Aiming Designs and a With My Love script from the foil bundle. Then marked watching shows with my husband with a couple sticker from Make Plans and I watch shows with Babe custom script from Make Plans. I use another couple sticker from PMD Stickers to note cuddles. The cuddle script is also from Make Plans. I use a play button sticker from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from the Planner Pixie Co to note a Plan With Me binge. And then I used a PMD girl watching TV to note binge watching The Good Doctor. So as you can see, I have been using a lot of PMD stickers and Make Plans because those are Collie Plans are new to me shops, which I have a lot more stickers from them currently with me, whereas the rest of my stickers are in storage. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below and let me know what you thought of the spread. As usual, I'm going to show you guys a wiggle and then what was left of the kit. Hope you enjoy. Bye. See you in the next one.